Hi guys, welcome. This is Shankar back with a new video. Today I'll be unboxing MI router 3C and it is the best router under 1000 rupees guys. Okay, let me show you the other features, what else it has got. Let me show you in the back sides there. And these are some of its main features. It has got three-step setup. You can set up the router very easily and it has a speed boost and some other features, very useful features guys. This is the best smart router you can get with every control through your phone. Okay, these are some of the major features. Okay, let me show you in the other side. There is nothing here, this is written about its name. Okay, let me open the box to you and let me show you the what else it contains. The packet or the box is well designed. It's a good looking, but I'm very sorry about their box. The man who delivered, he just completely scrambled those box, so it's not very good, but it's okay. Yes guys, this is the MI router 3C smart router specifically, and it has got 4 antennas. Let me tell you about this later. Let me put this apart. And this is some of its paperwork here about the router. And let me open here what else we got. And this is the QR code you can scan and get the app download through Play Store. And this is the manual to set up the router. And this is a power adapter. And let me put all this aside and let me show you the router itself. Okay. Yes guys, this is the smart router and it is very lightweight, and we have got MI logo here, and at the back side we have got some of this IP address and some of its configuration here. Yeah, that's all about no information. And it is the WAN port to connect the internet through your ISP, and this is a 2 LAN ports and you can connect it through the network, and this is a reset pin. And this is the 4 antennas, 2 antennas used for transmission and 2 others used for receiving, and every antenna is powered with a 2.4 GHz, and you can see that it's a Ethernet MI Wi-Fi. And that's all guys, this is the best router what I have seen with a very good range. Okay, and let me show you how to set up this router using your computer. Okay, let me show you. And one more thing, this router is about 300 Mbps. Okay, this is a 300 Mbps router. Let me go to the Windows now. Okay, now you should connect to your computer. You should connect your router through your computer Wi-Fi. Yes, it's already connected, and automatically the browser will pop up. It will go into its URL and complete the setup now. Now agree. Now I'm using this as the amplifier mode with which I have already existing router. Just I'm using as amplifying that signal to this route through this router. Okay, this is the home Wi-Fi. This is my existing, and now I'm entering the password of the existing router. Why, that's Wi-Fi network router. That's all. Now I'll be naming here this router name. What I want to call it as, I'm calling this MI Wi-Fi, and I'll be giving the own password for other passwords, different password from the other router. Wait, let me type here the new password. Okay, click next. Now you should type a new password for the login of this router. And let me type here some different password. Yeah, let me connect. Next. Yeah, now here connect to the network. Click on connect to network. That's all guys, I'm setting up this router. Now this router automatically reboots and it will connect to the existing router, and it will act as a range extender. And you can connect up to 300 Mbps of your internet for range extending, and it's the best router for a good range if you're looking for. Okay, it has been disconnected and you can see there Mi Wi-Fi has been showing here, and let me connect to it. And you should enter the new password that you have entered, that you are already registered for this network. Yeah, I'm entering new password here. Okay, next. Yeah, it's getting connected. Yeah, it's connected here. You can see that it's already connected here. Let me go for Google. Let me check. Yeah, it's coming here. And let me show you some surfing or something like. Let me check anything. Let me type mi. Enter. Yeah, the internet is completely working and you can enjoy happy using your surfing through internet this using this router. That's all guys about this video. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to view more updates like this in the future. Thank you. Have a nice day guys.